My client had a huge machine shop, but in addition to that, he was a collector. He loved machine tools and all types of tools that were related to it. But now it has to go. There's so much. We had to break it up into 2 internet auctions. One of them ends on September the 3rd, and the other ends on September the 10th. Not only are you going to find machine tools, you're going to find cabinets, mechanics tools, pallet racking, welding tables, layout tables, job boxes, welders, torches, inspection tools, fasteners, drills, reamers, milling bits, compressors, lawn equipment, pressure washer, paint stripers, and then there's also antiques like an early wood-smoked Essex wheel, a drill press that's belt-driven, and old tools. At the time I recorded this, we were only halfway through digging through the mountains and the pallet racks full of merchandise. This is an exciting auction, folks. You won't want to miss it. Go to our website, www.kincaid.com. Check them out. But don't tarry because it has to go quickly. All of the bidding is online with proxy bid.